Got right here mystery box from WESN Everyday Carry Gadgets. All the products could be in there. I think there was like $250, $200, I don't remember. So let's see. They sold out. Ooh, and you know what? I bought 2 of them and they always different. Look at that pin jewelry. Wow, that is so cute. Wow. So a little WESN pin, and I don't know if it's stolen silver or not. Either way, it's small. Bunch of stickers. Ooh, WESN. Let's see, titanium maybe. WESN bead. Then there's the knife sheath. Wow, there's a bunch. Ooh, these knives only come in mystery boxes. Those are the special ones, are really hard to get. Another WESN bead. WESN pouch, glue-on pouch. Awesome, I'm so excited for that. Okay, let's open one at a time, see what we'll get. Let's see, right here. A little sticker. I like the logo. Okay, this is a pry bar, carabiner, screwdriver, bottle opener. Beautiful. What is made out of? Black. Doesn't say what it's made of. But let's keep on going. Looks like there's 2. This is like $35 leather. Couple more things. Almond Black G10. Let's open this one up. I'm really curious what this one is. G10. G10 is a handle material. Nice, expensive. I love the blades. So perfect for pocket size, liner lock. Very smooth flipper. And some bought this blade. I guess it reminds me of a sword, so it's like makes it look like a miniature sword. Very well oiled up, and it's S35VN, which is a perfect steel for everyday carry. It will last a long time. Very high quality materials for sure. And that what it looks like. Wow, it is tight, very tight. Looks like titanium clip. That's so skinny, I love it. Okay, let's keep on going. I'm pretty sure it says all of the materials on the little brochures in there, or if anything on the website. Either way, beautiful pocket knife right here, folding pocket knife, everyday carry. Let's see what else you find in here. Well, cleaning cloth with the logo. And super excited about that one. This one is really hard to get. I don't think they ever sell them on their website. If they did, they sold out so fast. I can't believe I found another one. So this right here, a little pin. It might be a little bit different. This is like at least $200 knife, and they sell for a lot more. So there's a handkerchief with the same design, and I'm pretty sure the handle of the knife is gonna have same pattern as this. So awesome. I like mystery boxes. Yeah, that's it. This is in itself like $230 knife. WESN. Boom. Love that. That's like old-timer knife. Such a beautiful design. Cool patterns. There it is. What is this made out of? Does it say? I have to look it up, but there is a 269 out of 300 only made. So limited edition. That's what makes it special, I guess, too. Love it. There it is. That's what I got. A whole bunch of awesome value, especially this one. This is like a $90 knife as well, at least. And this is like 40, and these things are like 35, 25, maybe give it or take it. I have no idea how much would that be, because it's just they're awesome.